The world is changing constantly. Throughout the history, one thing has always remained constant, that is change. Few years ago, aerial shots could be possible only in high budget movies. But today, due to drones, even YouTube videos have beautiful aerial shots, even better than those in movies shot a few years ago. This technological improvement didn't happen in hours or days. It took several years of research and development and use of various prototyping platforms, thus leading to final commercial products. Prototypes are products with minimal functionalities which are used as a reference for the final product. The environment that facilitates prototype development is called prototyping platform. One such platform which satisfies most of prototyping needs is Arduino. It was basically developed with the intention of prototyping in mind. Now imagine there was a single hardware which you could use for various purposes just by doing few modifications. So even if the product fails, loss would be minimal. So let's say one day you want to make a robo arm and you use an Arduino for that. Soon you want to make a drone. Then you can still use the same Arduino as the brain for a drone by just changing the code, thus saving you large costs. Arduino might not be best for a drone or a robo arm, but it is perfect to make a minimal project in a cost-effective manner. Arduino would basically act as a brain which can be used for another project by just changing the code. Let's consider the example of drones. Basic thing that drone would need is the brain, which would control its movement as per user's need. This brain needs to be versatile, so its functionalities can be changed quickly so prototyping becomes easier. Since Arduino can do processing or brainy work and is highly versatile, it makes it one of the best prototyping platforms. Additionally, Arduino is open source platform, which means its source code and schematics are open to everyone and anyone can modify and manufacture it. So even you can get an Arduino schematic which is provided in the link and build your own customized Arduino and even sell it. Arduino boards consist of large number of pins which help to control various electronics. For instance, controlling motors in drones or taking inputs from remotes, etc. Another major advantage is it is programmed using C. This makes coding small programs very easy. In order to know how to build various things using Arduino, watch our upcoming video series.